Welcome to Embird UK. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to install Embird 2020 on Windows 10. If you're on a Mac or perhaps running an older version of Windows, I will show you towards the end of this video how to go about the installation process. First of all, Embird is a modular embroidery computerized software solution for both home embroiderer and the industrial embroiderer. Without further ado, let's start the installation process of Embird. The first thing you need to do is you just navigate to our home page, embird.co.uk. Once you're on the home page, you simply navigate to Upgrade 2020 tab. When you hover over it, you will see Download Embird on the left hand side. Simply go and click on Download Embird. You will now be faced with two options. You can either install the 32-bit Windows file or the 64-bit Windows file. If you're not sure what operating system you're running, you can simply just go to the search bar and type in this PC. At the bottom you'll see Properties, just click on Properties. You can see the system type I'm running here is a 64-bit operating system. That means I need to be installing the 64-bit file. Click on Download 64-bit Embird 2020. You will see the file starting to download here on the left hand side. Once it's completed downloading, simply click on Open when done. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You click on Yes. This program will install Embird 2020 on your computer. Press Setup button to proceed with installation. Click on Setup. Choose language. OK. Please read the following license agreement carefully. After you read the license agreement, click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on Install. Installation successful. Click on OK. You can go to the desktop now and you will see that all of these icons here, the shortcut icons, have now been installed. Click on Embird 2020. Continue, maximize the screen, and this has now installed successfully and you're ready to start using Embird 2020. Now, just a couple of things I want to make you aware of is the following. Embird is a modular software, which means that you can choose which modules to buy. Installation files contains the main Embird program, the Embird basic program, and all plugin modules, the iconizer, digitizing tools, the multi-stitch, cross-stitch, font engine, pre-digitized alphabets for convenient download and installation. But only registered purchased items are activated. To activate each module needs its own password, otherwise module runs in demo mode. Now there is no difference between downloading the demo and the full version, they are the same files. An unregistered user is able to use the Embird demo only for 30 days or 100 runs, and after this period the program expires. Demo version of plugins do also have other limitations. Registered users do not have these limitations. If you wish to have full functionality, registered codes can be obtained here and will be delivered to you via email. It says here within 72 hours from purchase. Most cases is actually immediately, maximum 3 days if there's some complications perhaps. Just quickly want to point out to you the limitations as well. So if you go to the About here and you hover over that, you will see that there's demo limits here. And here you can read up about all the demo limitations. Right, the last thing I just want to get back to you about is if you, for example, would like to run it on a Mac, or you would like to perhaps run the program using older version of Windows. So right at the bottom here, you will see Windows Vista and Windows XP, on-block download file, Windows 8 specific info, and how to use Embird on a Mac. So all you simply have to do is just expand the window here, and it will tell you exactly how to download and install Embird Windows 8, how to use Embird on a Mac. So here is a whole explanation of how to go about the process of running Embird on a Mac. However, my recommendation would be, actually I'm on a Mac right now, but I've used Boot Camp to actually install Windows on my Mac as well, and to be honest, I think it's a much better or easier solution to just run Windows on your Mac if you was going to use Embird. It just makes the process much simpler, and also there is a chance of all the updates of Mac that it might not always work depending on the update, as Embird is more suited to Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave that in the comments below this video. All the best. Take care.